Hi, welcome to Simple Training with Tanaz. Today we are going to study about domestic animals. Before we are going to study about domestic animals, why we call these animals as a domestic? Because these animals live easily in the home environment. So we call these animals as a domestic, and also we call these animals as a pet animals. Okay. Let's study about domestic animals. Tota. In English, we call this as parrot. Parrot. Billy. In English, we call this animal as a cat. Cat. Hiran. In English, we call this animal as deer. Deer. Kutta. In English, we call this as dog. Dog. Bhens. In English, we call this animal as buffalo. Buffalo. Oot. In English, we call this animal as camel. Camel. Guy. In English, we call this animal as cow. Cow. Gadha. In English, we call this animal as donkey. Donkey. Badak. In English, we call this as duck. Duck. This animal we call it as emu. Emu. Bakra. In English, we call this as goat. Goat. Murgi. In English, we call this as hen. Hen. Ghoda. In English, we call this as horse. Horse. Bandar. In English, we call this as monkey. Monkey. Shatrumurg. In English, we call this as ostrich. Ostrich. Bail. In English, we call this as ox. Ox. Suar. In English, we call this as pig. Pig. Kabutar. In English, we call this as pigeon. Pigeon. Khargosh. In English, we call this as rabbit. Rabbit. Bhed. In English, we call this as sheep. Sheep. Gilhari. In English, we call this as squirrel. Squirrel.